What's up, you Googans? Welcome to 2.5 Men in a Boat. We are a real reality show about commercial diving in South Florida for the oh-so-yummy Florida lobster and saltwater aquarium tropical fish. Today's show is called Lionfish Extravaganza. We will be focusing on the lionfish, which is an invasive species to South Florida and the Caribbean Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, because they're from the Pacific Ocean. Now these nasty dragon-looking fish, they can sting the shit out of you with all those spines, but we know how to handle them because we know which spines are poisonous and where there are no spines, and the gloves do not matter. Now we will be shooting the bigger ones for the restaurant consumption. They love eating those lionfish. It's a delicacy. And we will be catching the smaller versions for the saltwater aquarium tropical fish trade. Now we're catching them in nets like the other fish. We got to handle them oh so carefully to put them in our bucket, our catch bucket. And then when we get on the boat, we got to expel the air out of the air bladder. So you'll see us putting needles in their butt. We're not just putting needles in their butt. We're getting the air out of the air bladder. You'll hear it. It goes psss. Anyways, we got Oliver, the owner of the business, OPP, Aquaman. His son Fisher just turned 7 years old. He loves the boat. He loves fishing. He loves catching minnows at the dock. And he especially loves going through sargassum seaweed looking for crabs, shrimps, and whatever little creatures he can find. So please enjoy the show. If you have any questions, any comments, do that below. Subscribe, like, tell your friends. This is the real reality show. We're cutting it up. We're busting balls, and we're catching fish. Let's go scuba diving.
They said that before they always used to have reveille before we, not the whole thing, but, and then we had to stand and say the pledge.
I'm trying to see if the camera will pick it up. Wake up, you sea squids.
You scurvy dogs.
Remember when these guys actually used to work and go out and look for drug dealers and shit? No one works since COVID. Drug dealers, come on in. Sex traffickers, let's go. Bring your children. Chuck Schumer needs them. And Adam Schiff. God, I hate those guys more than anybody politically.
Dental neck.
Right. Dude, I posted an AOC about all the money she has. I'm like, I want to see her have an OnlyFans page.
Me too.
Before she gets ugly. Imagine how much money she would make on OnlyFans. I mean, just being in her underwear, she would make a fortune.
I would love to taste her salsa. but she's a liberal, so it's probably really bitter.
Well, what would come with the deal is you got to listen to her mouth.
Oh God, no! Because I'd put a ball gag in. All you hear going, ah.
You want to take the wheel, or are you still getting ready?
Rated PG-13. Yeah, I'm gonna take it.
All right, I'm gonna shut this down.
I just want to bring this miserable day to an end.
All right.
All right, people. 30 feet from the house. Okay, baby. See you later, dog, I think. It's a breakfast for sure.
Give it all you got. Give it all you got. Give it all you got. Give it all you got.
Gotcha, bitch!
Yeah, he swam up to me right there at the end.
Right?
So I just netted him.
And that hole in his head is from the other net. You just stabbed his ass, huh?
Yep.
Wow, that's cool, man. It's way cool.
No need for a spear.
Way Cool Junior. Remember that song?
No.
That was Rat. Way Cool Junior. God, that is so cool. It ain't even funny.
It's like a 2-pounder.
That's amazing, right, Bubba? Why don't you bring the flag in, Fisher?
When they get that big, they even have horns, dude. Look at that. Like devil horns.
That's the devil. We should get like somebody from Jackass, like Steve-O, and stick him with the spines and see what happens.
Hell yeah.
Gotcha, bitch! Gotcha, bitch! Good thing you got that Magnum bucket.
Yeah, yeah. For men with bigger cactus.
Yeah.
Oh boy, here it comes. The lionfish shuffle.
God, look at that.
Yeah, I know. This is the worst part of it.
Yeah. It's where you take your fingers in your own hands.
Or something.
Yeah.
Still forgot to grab a bigger needle.
You want a bigger one? You want me to find a bigger?
I need a long one that was finger banged off the front.
Right. Control fisher, not to mess with it. I'm sure people on YouTube are watching this going,
This guy's
sting him, sting him. When is he gonna get hit?
Yeah.
You should like pretend to get stung.
Yeah.
Ah! Holy shit, it hurts! It hurts! That would be funny.
Yeah.
Just kidding. You know, when I was putting one in a bucket, it kind of grazed my knuckle.
Yeah.
And it got me. And like, I felt it hit my knuckle, and then nothing. About 10 minutes later, it was throbbing. Or you know what I mean, a few minutes later.
Yeah, you'll never forget your first time. Let me tell you, you'll never forget your first time. It hurts. I got whacked trying to fan a rock bait. He was up on a ledge. Took my hand up here, went like this. Bah!
Oh, so one hit you in the wild that you weren't even trying to catch.
I had no. I thought it was a sea urchin, and then I discovered about 10 seconds later that wasn't a sea urchin. That was a
right.
It went deep, and it was awful.
So do you remember what year it was that we started getting lionfish out here?
2010.
2010.
I mean, they caught them way sooner than that. I never saw a single one.
Right.
The most ironic thing about my first lionfish is that night before watching Channel 6 News, they had just had a whole thing on about lionfish. I was
right.
like, I can't believe I haven't seen one. Jumped in the water that morning, 100 feet off Oakland Park. Landed, looked up, and there was a lionfish right in front of my face.
Right.
Most bizarre thing ever.
Now, did you try to catch that one,
Oh, yeah.
or you were?
No, I caught that one.
You knew that you could sell them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you weren't afraid of the whole mystique of getting. I mean, they make it out. You know, the media makes it out to be a lot worse than it is.
Well, you haven't gotten.
No, I haven't gotten a real hit.
At all. You haven't gotten hit.
Like I said, it grazed my knuckle, and I had a little throb for like an hour.
Let me stick this thing into the meat of your finger, dude.
No thanks.
See, when I'm needling them, the worst part is those 3 anal spines.
Right.
Because the needle, it's like, you know, anybody that knows about needles, it doesn't go in easy. It drops in, you know? So, and then you get nailed by the anal spine.
The anal spine.
The anal spine of all things.
Right.
And anal does hurt, I think. You know?
Yeah. That's what she said.
Yeah, I guess.
As they scream and jump across the bed. X-rated, sorry. Oh, and you got shooters too. Good shooters.
We take all cover.
Yep. The good thing about lionfish being an invasive species, at least we can do something commercially with it. I know people try to sell like iguana meat and shit, but I don't think that's doing so well.
It's a delicacy.
Iguana meat?
Chicken of the trees in Central
chicken
America.
of the trees. Yeah, chicken of the trees when you got no chickens. That dark, you got a couple studs in there, huh? See the difference in size? Yeah. Fish tanks, tabletops, grills, sushi. I think they make good sushi too.
Yeah, they do. They make the greatest.
Cool.
They make the greatest ceviche on the planet. Dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a ceviche fish. I want to make that for my mom.
There you go. I like ceviche.
She'll like it with this thing.
Right. I just like the face on this one with gold
They look like
lips.
dragons, you know?
Yeah. Should be called a dragonfish.
And when they get big, this one's still alive, I hope not. When they get big, they get those horns over the eyes. See those horns?
Yeah.
And they got these spikes on the face too. I mean, that is like a sea urchin.
Yeah.
See that? It's sharp.
I see it.
Yeah.
And there's no poison in those spikes, so you don't know.
You know what? I wouldn't want to jam it in my finger, but I don't think
Find
so.
out.
They don't hurt when they poke. They kind of hurt when they poke you.
Yeah. Well, lobsters hurt when they poke you. There's no
A
poison.
lot of things hurt when they poke you.
Yeah, I'm sure they do.
Okay, let me bring the F-22 in here.
All right.
Dude, the ride from the 60, even at this speed,
Uh-huh.
was insane to get in here. All right, suit up.
All right. We got some seaweed for Fisher. ran into some patches and he's catching some crabs, right? Tell the people.
No.
Yes. Then I'm not looking at it. Ow, ow.
I got a crab right here.
Let me see. Oh, I see him. I see him. You gonna pick him up?
No, he'll pinch me.
Ah, don't be a chicken. He won't pinch you.
Yes, he will. He's big. Yes, he will. Oh, here's another crab.
Here you go.
Baby one.
Oh, look at him move. Look at him move. Look at him move.
Oh, take it.
Look at him move. You want me to get him? Put him in the bucket?
Yes.
There he is, back on top of the seaweed. Here comes a lot of seaweed up against the boat.
Oh, God. I mean, my...
Right behind you, right behind you. There you go.
Scheiße. Freaking Christ. Come on, go get it.
Here it comes, here it comes. Look at the bottom. Oh. Here it comes, here it comes. Here, let me see the net, let me see the net. Want me to do it? Might have to move the boat a little bit.
I told you.
Ah, here comes a whole bunch. Wait, wait, wait. Look at this. Look at this. Continue to work that seaweed, and then I'll get you this seaweed. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at all the seaweed coming. Here, here, dump this out. Hurry, hurry, dump it out, dump it out. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Upside down, upside down. All right, give it to me, give it to me. Hurry, hurry, just turn around, turn around, turn around. Right here, right here. You wanna get it? There you go. Good guy, good boy. Woo, there you go.
What? This is a rascal major damage.
What is it?
This is a major damage.
Major damage.
Woo!
Here, turn around. Let me see you do that.
Woo!
Emotional damage. You got enough to work with there, buddy? Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I hate this stupid seaweed.
You hate the seaweed?
Yeah.
All right, good. We don't have to get it no more.
Well, I want seaweed.
Oh, I want seaweed. All right. Gotcha, bitch.
These are all not my fish friends.
Nope.
One of them are my fish friends.
Hello. Hi, I'm the lionfish, and I'm your friend, Fisher.
Yeah, let me get in here.
See the look on his face?
This thing was such a dick.
Explain to the people about you sticking the swim bladder again, because I get that question all the time.
When the fish come up,
Yes.
to maintain their neutral buoyancy, they have a swim bladder.
Yes.
And when they come up, when you relieve the pressure on a gas, it's just like opening your bottle of soda pop.
Right.
That expands. And if you don't pop it, you get pressure on the internal organs, will kill the fish. Not to mention the fact that it
Well said.
can't swim. Medium. And pretty much once you get deeper than about 20 feet, you have to. They almost always all need to be needles.
Right.
Just watch your hand. You don't accidentally slap the lionfish in the head, because that'll be painful.
Look at how he has his spikes out of the water. Look at that.
Yeah.
Is he trying to sting me?
Hey, I think so. He don't like you. He hears you talking like, yeah, I'm your fish friend, all right.
Here's you talk.
I could hear the air on that one. What are you doing? Chopping the leaks in the hose?
Yeah.
See?
Chop, chip, chop, chip, chop, chip, 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 chop. Chip, chop, chop, chip.
We were working on a tank.
Right.
I was working with Cliff,
Right.
and he has to do 100% water changes on this tank. I mean, it gets algae so bad.
Right.
Chip, chop.
And he put the queen in a bucket, Queen Angel,
Right.
the size of my hand. And when he went to get her out of the bucket, he didn't net it out, and it sliced his finger open.
Ooh.
I just heard her. Yeah. Like,
On the gill plate, huh?
yeah.
Chop, chip, 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 chip.
I mean, they got Ginsu knives on their gills.
Yeah.
Just imagine if they're both on the boat. I got them both hanging
Oh
in the
my
bucket.
God.
Drives me. I mean,
I
Right.
broke the key.
both of them just hanging in there. Why can't
One
I catch
question after another.
Let me catch it. Can I butt? Oh my gosh. It makes me longingly eyeball the screwdriver to stick in my ear.
Instead of killing you kids, I'll just myself.
Yeah. Take my eardrums out so I don't have to hear it.
Oh, I remember you asked me that question. About, like, remember, if
Yeah.
I stick something in my ear, will it rupture I don't have to hear? I said, try one and see what happens.
My grandfather on my mother's side was mostly deaf. Like
Right?
if he didn't want to hear anybody talking,
He just turned his head.
he turned his hearing aids like off, which is I think great. Yeah, look how pretty that fish
Can I touch that?
is. Sure. It feels like just like every other fish in the world does.
Slippery.
Huh?
And mad.
You said they're in the grouper family, right?
Yes.
Why is it mad?
Because he's looking at you, that's why he's mad.
I don't know. If somebody stuck a needle up my butt, I'd probably be a little mad too.
He's crushing you.
don't know if you can see.
I can see perfectly.
God, that sucks. Oh, sorry. We glad we called. The visibility is gone.
Gone, huh?
It's diving at night.
Sorry.
Is it attached? No. Okay.
Did you catch any fish like Joseph?
Yeah. Stand it on distance. There you go.
Make anything out of it?
Serious stuff over there. I hate nothing more than floating around in that kind of glue.
Right? Especially close to the inlet where they feed. Funny you say that because Fisher, I never heard say this before. I gotta go out by your dad, reel it in. And he was like, oh, he got eaten. I could see the red in the water. Right? How'd you say that, Fisher?
I see red over there.
He goes, I see red over there. He got eaten. Don't worry about him.
He got eaten by a shark. Say the F word.
Huh?
Say the F word.
Fudge.
No.
Fudge
For
sandwich.
real.
That's an F word? For real?
Fourth.
No. The real F word.
Fancy.
No, that.
Fancy life.
The bad F word.
We don't talk like you, Fisher.
Oh my god, that sucked. We have a new term for a sucky dive.
What is it?
I jode it.
Oh, no. Oh,
You got that on video?
Yep, sure do.
I jode it.
He jode it.
There's a pecker on the boat.
Look.
Huh?
I'm waiting.
Waiting for what?
No, I'm waiting.
I almost thought he was peeing in the coat.
Dad, look at me.
Uh-huh, I see.
It's coming from my wing.
Sure it is. I must have seen at least 10 or 12 that had eggs.
Oh,
Every
found
time I saw
too.
one, eggs,
Yep.
eggs.
I had one on the first one and some shorts and one on the second one.
Can't do that. No, he does it 3 times. Bunch of peckers on this boat.
Bunch of peckerheads.
Oh my god.